folks, welcome for another practice. Let's start that. Let's try to increase our SOR, or at least maintain it and try to get consistent. Gonna go with the 4-1-6-3 set. Try to knock out that 4s and 10. Should get paid a little bit better. Okay, 10, 6-4, 10's the point. Yeah. I'm improving inch by inch, so it works out pretty good. Hopefully we can keep getting better and better and try to reach my goal. Eight, 2, 6. Again, I hope you keep up your practice. Don't get discouraged if you're not reading your personal goal. Just keep practicing. The result will come. 4, 3, 1. Okay, we hit our 4s and 10 using that set. Just what we wanted. Looks pretty good. It's not about hitting the points. It's about maintaining control of the dice. We're gonna go with the 4-2-2-4 set. Try to hit 6 and 8. A little high there. 12, 6, 6. Okay, that works out pretty good. Not what we really wanted, but at least it gave us one of the hardest numbers for me to hit. So that's out of the way. Less pressure. Like I said, the 2s and 12 are the hardest for me to hit. So every time I hit those out early, I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, 2, snake eye. Great, both of them knocked out in the first shot. Ace, ace. 2's the point. Very good so far. Same set. Eight, 5, 3. Same set. 10, the hard way. 5, 5. Point made. Okay. Just try to knock out those field numbers. We're gonna go with the 6-3-3-6. Four. 0.4, 1, 3. A little high there, too much power. That gives me a lot of kickback. I don't like those kickbacks. Let's try again. 6-3-3-6 set. A little better. 9, 4, 5. That's pretty good. That's what I wanted. I wanted to stick and land and stay in that zone section. 4, 5, 9. Getting better. 4, 1, 3. Point made. That's good. Take a while to get in your zone. Once you dial in your zone, it works out pretty good. It's like playing tennis, you know. Once you know how hard to hit the ball, once you get into your rhythm, it works out pretty good for you. Alright, so we're going to start off with the same set. Buttons are off right now, made 2 points. Seven, 4, 3. Buttons are off. We're going to take that. So far we rolled 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 row. Okay? We lose our all tall, all short bet, but we'll keep the count. And we'll count the 7. We'll start off fresh again. 7 fall in the right place. It's out of luck, but we can't rely on luck. Okay, here we go. We're going to keep the same row because it's a 7. Maybe we'll just leave the button off all the time. 10. Yeah, like I said, the sweet spot for the 7 are 8, 9, and 10. Roll. And it fell just right in that slot. Okay, 10 is the number. 10 is the point again. Same set. The only bad part is we lost our 2s and 12s, so that's going to be hard to hit. 10 the hard way. 5, 5. Okay, point made. Going to stay with the same set. Buttons are off. Maybe the 7 will pop out in the same slot. 10 again, 5, 5. Yeah, seems to be a 10 day today. It's 5. It's another 5. It's pretty good if you press those. Okay, let's keep going. 5. Okay. 2, 3, 5. Same set. 6, 3, 3. It's a lot of hard weights today. That's good. Always happy to see those hard weights. The only point is I'm just not hitting those hard weight consistently to really make the bet count. Someday I'll be able to do that. Right now I'm just working on the SOR. Same set. 10. 4, 6. Point made. We're going to stay with same set. Buttons are off. If the 7 comes out, we'll take it. 8. Piece of point, 3, 5. It's a lot of rebound on that one. Too much power again. Same set. 4, 2, 2. Still a lot of power in that throw. Bounce a little too high there. Gotta reduce the power. But so far we're getting a lot of hard ways. Go same set. I don't like that kickback, but it worked. Almost 7L on that one. Okay, 3, 1, 2. All right. I don't like it when the dice bounce and hit each other. There's a lot of chance that a 7 pop out when that happens. Just gotta be careful of my grips. I think I separated it when I picked it up, so you gotta pay more attention on the pickup. Better. 7. All right, 7 out. So we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 point. Okay, and we roll. Let me roll 20 roll. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, and then the 10 before, where the 7 fell in the right spot. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 roll. Okay, 20 roll is pretty good. Seems to be in the early 20s is our new average SOR now. Let's see if we can continue it for a couple more months, then we'll certify it. Okay, it's good for this section. I'm gonna shorten the video and record it so that way it keeps the video short. I'll see you in the next roll. Take care.